Africa, kids, grown-ups, phones, internet, connectivity, Lagos, the other side of Lagos, Nigeria. The world is ready for the next unnecessary network. Hi, I'm Mike Chiwendo, founder and CEO of Iglo. Iglo is just like Glo, but a little bit slower. We here are more concerned about the core values of connectivity. Like, will you find what you are searching for instead of how fast you are going to find it? Where in particular do you need to stay to get our network? Will you make heaven at last? Etc. We have this adage that slow and steady wins the race, and that is the inspiration behind Iglo. Our network is specifically designed to be slow as fuck, and it doesn't matter where you are, you must be getting 2G network or 1G network, notwithstanding that we are advertising 4G LTE. There are many advantages of using our network anti-pon feature. Our network scientists have been working night and day on this amazing and revolutionizing feature. We know that a lot of people waste their day in search of porn, but with this our new feature, you have nothing to worry about, because with our network you can find your porn, but the video will buffer until you are not horny anymore. Common sense. Our network is inbuilt with a lot of common sense, and with constant usage it passes some of this sense to the users. For example, some people always fall victims to tantalizing and addictive apps such as YouTube and Instagram. They go there to watch just one video, and 3 hours, 4 hours later, they are still there with their data almost finished. But with our network, be rest assured that your MB is our priority. We make sure we frustrate you out of any data sucking app by being annoyingly slow. And for those of you who cannot hear of a new movie without rushing to go and download it, we've got you covered. It takes at least 3 weeks to download a movie trailer. Yeah. And even when your download gets to 99%, we automatically refresh it and you start over. Economical. It is needless to say that our network service is highly economical. As a matter of fact, we've had people who bought our 1 GB data plan and still had their complete 1 GB at the end of the month. And we are able to achieve this because our customers are limited to 5 WhatsApp messages a day, no voice notes, no pictures, and definitely no status viewing. Unlimited bonuses. We have many bonus data packages. For example, with 1000 naira you can get as much as 7 GB, but it doesn't really matter because you are never going to use it. We also have call bonuses where you get 100 times your recharge to only call 3 people before we can tell you that your account is low. The advantages of Iglo are so numerous to mention. Our students can now leave their phones and face their books. Our porn sites can now decongest a little bit, and most of all, we send you 10 messages per day, from beauty tips to asking how your father is. If you are a video creator, Iglo has an advice for you. Start uploading your videos 1 year from when you will need it. For example, if you want to upload a video wishing your fans a happy new year, you should start uploading that video on the New Year's Eve of the previous year. FYI, this particular video started uploading on the 19th of January 2018. And for those people who are confused on how to identify an Iglo SIM, any network that is slow enough to make you cry is an Iglo SIM. Iglo, slow and steady, wins the race.